Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, welcome back to the course. As you guys can see, right now I'm on Amazon.com. So just go to Amazon.com guys. Thus we're going to use Amazon Marketplace to pick our product example for copywriting tutorial, right? Because in the next couple of videos, we're going to learn step by step on how to automate copywriting using AI. But before that, we need to pick one product first that we're going to advertise, right? So feel free to pick any product from any marketplace. It doesn't have to be Amazon. Only because I'm using Amazon, it does not necessarily mean that you also need to follow me, right? If you want to use Etsy or eBay or AliExpress, whichever marketplace that you want, feel free to do it, guys. All right, I'm just using Amazon as an example. So I'm going to type in a travel pillow here, right? So I'm going to create ad copy for travel pillow in the next couple of videos. All right, so I'm just gonna click on travel pillow, and if I scroll down, as you guys can see, we have many different options. All right, many different products available. I'm just gonna pick like one random travel pillow, guys. All right, so I'm gonna pick this one, I guess. Maybe I'm going to pick this one. All right, so I'm gonna click on it, and it will take me here to this page. So what I want you to do is to read the product descriptions. You don't have to read all of them, just skim through it. Just make sure that you understand about this product. Just make sure that you understand about like the specifications of this product, and also like the benefits of or values that your potential customers are going to get from purchasing this product. All right, so yeah, provide perfect support, new design, sweat resistant, washable cover, new design, premium memory foam, the best choice for travel, space saving and lightweight package. So yeah, those are values or benefits that people will get from purchasing this product. So make sure that you understand that, make sure that you read all of these, and once you're done, I want you to copy and paste the name of the product and also like this product descriptions on your Google Docs, right? So it's going to be easier for you to like keep track of the products that you are going to pick as an example for our copywriting tutorial. All right, so make sure you just copy and paste the important informations about this product, like product description, specifications, and also the name of the product. That's it, all right? And in the next video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of Google Ads. Just in the first sections, what we're going to do here is to learn how to create ad copies using AI for Google Ads, right? So what we're going to be doing is to advertise this product. We're going to create an ad copy for this product, this travel pillow, and we're going to use Google Ads to advertise it. Therefore, our main focus here is to create ad copies for this product to be advertised on Google Ads, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.